Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the Skytech Gaming Archangel Gaming PC Desktop. Right pointing finger emoji. Before we jump in, make sure to check the link below to get this Skytech Archangel PC at the best price available right now. Desktop computer emoji, design and build. Skytech nails the classic gaming PC look with a sleek, tempered glass side panel and customizable RGB lighting. Inside, the layout is clean and well ventilated, with a 240mm AIO liquid cooler keeping the CPU running cool under pressure. The included 600 watts gold-rated power supply ensures stable power delivery and efficiency. Gear emoji, performance, desktop class power. Here's what you get under the hood. Intel Core i7-12700F, 12-core, 2.1 GHz base clock. NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU. 16GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM. 1TB NVMe SSD. This setup easily handles popular games like Call of Duty, Cyberpunk 2077, and Elden Ring at high settings with smooth frame rates. The fast NVMe SSD cuts down load times dramatically, and 16GB RAM keeps multitasking and streaming smooth as butter. Fire emoji, cooling and noise. The 240mm AIO liquid cooler does a fantastic job keeping the CPU temps low, even during long gaming sessions. Plus, the PC stays relatively quiet, so you can focus on your game without fan noise distractions. Electric plug emoji, connectivity and expandability. With multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort outputs, and Ethernet connectivity, the Archangel is ready to connect all your gaming peripherals and multiple monitors. Plus, the spacious case allows for future upgrades, a big plus if you want to keep this rig relevant for years. Brain emoji, final thoughts, who should buy? If you're looking for a ready-to-go gaming desktop with strong 1440p performance, great cooling, and solid build quality, the Skytech Archangel is a fantastic pick for. White check mark emoji, serious gamers who want modern CPU and GPU power. White check mark emoji, streamers or content creators needing smooth multitasking. White check mark emoji, anyone wanting a reliable, upgrade-friendly gaming rig. Fire emoji, verdict, 9/10, a powerful, well-cooled desktop offering excellent value for serious gaming. Bullseye emoji, link to buy. Don't forget to check the description below for the latest deals on the Skytech Archangel Gaming PC. Speech bubble emoji, questions? Drop them in the comments. Thumbs up emoji, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more gaming PC reviews and builds.